Why do we see so many accidents in Orlando where people are just, they got that light, they know they can turn left, but they're just not prudent enough and they just cut right in front of oncoming traffic?
So often people misjudge whether it be the speed of oncoming traffic or misjudge the angle of oncoming traffic and don't see it until it's too late. The way that our roads are set up here in Orlando are in such a manner that oftentimes you may be at a light waiting to turn left, and right across from you there's a car waiting to turn left as well, and in doing so that car is blocking your view of the traffic down a ways. It's probably one of the most common failure yield accidents is a vehicle or an individual turning left when technically they're allowed to do so, right? They have a green light, but per their obligation to yield, they've entered the intersection when it wasn't safe to do so, resulting in a oftentimes T-bone accident. In terms of how that failure to yield can play into liability, again, insurance companies are going to look to apportion a certain level of fault on the individual who still had the right of way, right? Is there anything that vehicle could have done to avoid the accident? Could they have hit their brakes sooner? Could they have changed lanes? Could they have avoided that collision in some manner? Or did they just careen into the person in the intersection in a way that makes them culpable?
So their speed could be at play, or it could be a factor in determining apportionment of liability, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Their lack of attention could be a factor that a jury could apportion in a kind of case like that, right?
Absolutely. If the person with the right of way is texting or on their cell phone or going twice the speed limit, that type of behavior or conduct could, in theory, have contributed to the accident. And if a jury were to find that behavior contributed to an accident, per the comparative fault rules, they could apportion a percentage of that negligence onto the party, even though they had the right of way.